Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how you can reset the root password of Kali Linux 2021.2. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, suppose you lost your normal user password, which is basically the Kali user. Also suppose you just need to log in inside your Kali Linux machine, but you just forget the user's password. You don't have root user password, because of course in a real scenario the administrator is basically not allowed to log in as a root on any Linux distribution. Okay, or maybe it may be a Kali Linux also is there. So somehow how we can basically log in if suppose some of our user has just changed the password, and we want to do, or we want to simply change the password of that particular user again, but we don't know the password. So how we can log in? We don't know the root password, and our user has just changed the normal user password. So how to log in this scenario in Kali Linux machine? Okay, so I am going to show you how you can do this, all these things. Okay, so right now this is what our Kali Linux 2021.2, which is the latest version, and this is what our first login screen, and I am just completely lost. I have no password for any user. I have just lost the password. Okay, so how I can enter in machine for doing the changes with the help of root user? Because if I want to change the password of normal user, I just want to become a root user. Okay, so how to do this? Simply, this is what our login screen. Here we need to simply restart our machine. So I am going to restart. Click on restart, and when the first boot screen will become, we need to press E here. Okay, so here we need to press E. So I have just pressed E button from our keyboard. Okay, so press the E button from keyboard. Okay, then this screen will become in front of us, GNU grub version. Okay, simply we need to scroll down here, friends. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, and then we need to come the line where we can see the /boot VM Linux. Okay, we need to come this line, Linux /boot VM Linux, and come to the RO, where we can see the RO word. This is the word RO. Okay, so we need to change with RW, read and write permission. Okay, so I'm going to again explain you. We need to come at the boot VM Linux, and in RO, this is what the by default, we need to change with RW. Okay, then remove the quit splash, remove it, quit splash, remove it, and here we need to simply mention init is equal to /bin/bash. That's it. Okay, now we need to simply save this grub session. So press the Ctrl plus X from the keyboard. Press Ctrl and X, and it will reboot the machine. As you can see, it's rebooting, and now basically it's login automatically in root without the password. As you can see, we have now login with the root. Now here you can basically set the password. Okay, just a minute. Yes, now here we can set the password for suppose if you have the normal user, you can change that user password also, but I just want to log in as a root user. Okay, so I'm going to change the password for the root user. Pass WD, this is what our command. Just hit enter, and as you can see, it's asked us to enter the new password. If you mention the root password, don't worry, this login is basically just login with, you can just change that password here also. Okay, so as you can see, the passwd is the command, and just mention the new password. So I am going to mention here a new password, hit enter, again retype that password, hit enter, That's it, password updated successfully. Now we are going to run the command exec space init6 and just hit enter. Submit exec space init space 6 and just hit enter. Now as you can see, our machine is now rebooting, and this time because of I have the root password, I can log in inside the machine and I can just change the normal user password, or maybe the user has make some changes. I can just check it what changes basically make inside the machine. Okay, so it's now basically booting. So friends, this is what our login screen. So right now I am going to log in as a root user because we changed the password, or we just reset the password. So I just hit enter, and as you can see, I can basically able to log in as a root user in same machine, the machine which basically I don't have password with any user because I have lost the password. Okay, so now with this setting I can able to log in as a root user and I can make the changes in my machine. Okay, so this is the way you can just reset the Kali Linux password. Okay, if you completely lost the machine access because of the password. I hope you would learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.